Efficient pig farm construction technology from EuroSlats. Eager to reduce pork production costs or save on pig farm construction and improve performance? Concrete wall panels and wooden trusses technology is the solution you are looking for. Its key difference from a common pig farm design consists in 3-layer self-bearing precast wall panels, evenly distributing the load and cutting costs of groundworks and construction time. No framework is required, as wooden trusses rest directly on the walls. The building is ventilated by maintaining negative air pressure in the interior. Fresh air flows evenly from top to bottom through troll-deck perforated ceiling installed at the lower chord level of wooden trusses. A climate control computer operates air inlets and exhaust fans to automatically control air circulation and outflow. The technology has long been used in North America and Scandinavia, where climatic and temperature conditions are similar to Russia and construction standards meet the latest requirements of the pig breeding industry. Are there any examples in Russia? Yes. Otrada-Gen, a pig farm located in the Lipetsk region, 500 kilometers to the south of Moscow. Why is the technology not widespread in Russia? Mentality is hard to change. As Albert Einstein once said, it is harder to crack a prejudice than an atom. Economic advantages. Key factors of cost-efficient pig farm construction. Minimal soil-bearing loads require less excavation, a thinner foundation subbase, less heating to cure concrete in cold weather, and, consequently, reduce costs of groundworks. With the load of wall panels and wooden trusses distributed evenly over the total area, the foundation depth may be reduced to 90 centimeters. Penoplex insulation prevents the foundation from frost heaving. Shallow foundations of concrete wall panels serve as walls of manure gutters, building a fairly rigid horizontal framework that redistributes ground deformations. Unlike auger piles, cast in situ piles, and others, shallow foundations prevent considerable loss of the building usable area. Lower material intensity and specific design of the building require no load-bearing frame. Faster installation reduces construction overheads. Lower operating expenses. Microclimate concept. The concrete wall panels and wooden trusses technology provides for a closed heating system and forced air supply. The microclimate system includes troll-deck perforated ceiling consisting of 3 layers, a wood cement board, a vapor barrier, and mineral wool insulation produced in Denmark. The ceiling lets air inside due to lower indoor pressure. Rib pipes installed in the ceiling to function as heat exchangers. The pipes heat the air coming through the perforated ceiling. Exhaust fans forcing air circulation inside the building. Automated ceiling inlets and panel windows to draw in more fresh air in hot weather. Troll-deck ceiling is certified for low particle and fiber permeability and therefore maintains high-quality air inside the premises and protects them from dust. Key factors reducing pig farm operating expenses. The building is heated evenly, with cold zones excluded. Absence of unsealed joints and thermal bridges guarantees perfect thermal insulation. Lower heat losses and a smaller air exchange area reduce power consumption by 40%. Concrete wall panels improve resistance to external stress and require no extra expenses for protective enclosures. There is no need for extra protection against fire or corrosion. Concrete is resistant to aggressive environments specific to pig farms. Special fire protection and antibacteria treatments make wooden structures fire-resistant for up to 90 minutes. An advantage of wood is its ability to remain robust and strong until the ignition point is reached. Fire tests show that a coal ring formed around the wood core during fire isolates the inner part of wooden structures, maintains their bearing capacity, and therefore saves precious time. Wooden buildings last longer during fire and often withstand it. On the contrary, steel and concrete structures collapse very fast, as steel and reinforced concrete have a significant drawback. They lose strength at high temperatures. Source: Forest and Wood Product R&D Institute, Latvia. It should be noted that fire safety regulations require fire retardants to be applied to steel structures every 7 years. It is expensive and animals need to be moved to another location for the period of works. The problem is solved by the use of wooden trusses, as their average fire protection period is 20 years. Danish pig farms constructed with this technology have been functioning for over 40 years. Specific design of EuroSlats structural elements. Concrete wall panel production technology. Materials. Reinforcement steel is delivered to our factory either as wire in coils or bars. We use high-tech professional equipment to cut them to the required length. Cut bars are then placed in the mesh welding gauge to ensure the mesh uniformity during electric resistance welding. Extruded polystyrene, a heat insulator, is selected to fit local climatic conditions in accordance with construction standards. We use at least the M500 cement grade. Sand is delivered from an open pit near Lipetsk. Its grain size varies from 0.3 to 3.5 millimeters. Thanks to the grain shape, it is an optimal type of sand for better concrete setting. Sand is screened through vibration sieves to separate it from clay and other inclusions. We use 5 to 20 millimeter crushed granite only, and other additives required to produce concrete with intended properties. A plasticizer to increase concrete density and prevent penetration of liquid manure into structural elements during operation. A cement accelerator and an antifreeze to increase frost resistance of structural elements in cold weather. Ingredients are added by weight and computer controlled to guarantee excellent precision. Moisture is controlled by sensors. The concrete mix formula is continuously adjusted to the ambient temperature, humidity, and structural elements produced. The ready-mix concrete is loaded into the hopper above the production line. Products are made of reinforced concrete compacted by vibration to maximize their strength. Core process operations are performed at Humarbo automated production lines, Netherlands. Specifications of concrete wall panels. The panel width is 200 millimeters. The external concrete layer is 50 millimeters thick. Insulation is 80 millimeters thick. Its composition may vary to fit local weather conditions in accordance with construction standards, while thickness remain the same. The internal concrete layer is 70 millimeters thick. The panel has top and bottom reinforcing meshes. The insulation insert is 30 millimeters thick. Another reinforcing mesh is placed at the panel upper edge. A lifting eye is built into the fastening plate. The panel has anchor sleeves. We manufacture either standard products, 2.6 meters high and 1.2 meters wide, or customized panels with door and window openings, including corner panels to meet specific construction requirements of our customers. Technical data for Wind Region 2 and Snow Region 3. Temperature range from -60 to +75 degrees Celsius. Thermal conductivity of the insulator 0.036 watts per meter Kelvin. Wind load 3.7 kilopascal. The factory capacity is 250 square meters of wall panels per day. It means it will take only 4 working days to produce panels for a 4,000 square meter fattening site. Wooden truss production technology. Stage 1. Wooden trusses are designed in MyTech, USA, a leading software application for designing wooden constructions certified for the Russian market. It has a variety of functions, including automated process monitoring and complies with Russian standards. MyTech builds a 3D roof model and controls each roof truss position, geometry, and joints. The software makes automatic calculations for every bar and joint, wood truss cross-section, and the size of connectors. Materials. Top quality softwood lumber from Vologda and Arkhangelsk regions. Special treatments ensuring bioprotection, fire resistance, and humidity control. MyTech steel connector plates certified for the European and Russian markets ensure structural strength. They have the highest fire safety rating according to the study of metal truss plate connectors when exposed to fire, National Institute of Standards and Technology, USA. After softwood lumber is selected, trusses are made with MyTech high-precision equipment comprising cutting saws, wood treatment units, truss assembly lines, product handling systems, Wooden trusses produced by EuroSlats have a span of up to 30 meters without intermediate bearing walls, and up to 60 meters with supporting structures. Key truss elements are a bottom cord, a top cord, diagonal braces, an overhang, and connector plates. High quality and precise geometry of trusses are achieved through their in-plant assembly with connector plates. The bearing capacity of wooden trusses is identical to that of steel or concrete roofing structures, but material intensity is 30% less. Unlike steel, wood is a non-corrosive and unique self-disinfecting material. When treated with special compounds, wood becomes a low combustible material, falling under Fireproof Efficiency Group 1, according to Fire Protection Regulations, number 251-98. The factory capacity is 1,000 linear meters per day. It means it will take only 5 working days to produce wooden trusses for a 4,000 square meter fattening site. Design and technical documents. All products are certified to Russian and European standards. Process operations strictly comply with the technical specifications. Customers are provided with pre-installation instructions. Engineering solutions are developed in partnership with our Project Design Company. Other engineering companies can be engaged at the customer's request. Lipetsk Complex Stroy, represented by its CEO, Alexei Grechishnikov, is the strategic partner of EuroSlats in the field of construction. Our pig farms, constructed with the EuroSlats technology, have obtained all required commissioning and fire safety permits. Installation specifics of concrete wall panels and wooden trusses. Concrete wall panels. The range of concrete wall panels allows for an easy, Lego-like construction of any buildings all year round. Anchor sleeves in the lower panel edge guarantee precise installation. Panels are joined together with mating tongues and grooves, with the upper edge fixed with a steel pin and an insert plate. The upper cord of panels is fixed with 2 reinforcement bars and a concrete layer. Wind resistance of walls is improved with concrete wall supports. Panels are easily lifted with 2 lifting eyes on their upper edge. Structural elements are delivered by truck or rail. With a standard 954 kilogram wall panel, it will take 13 trucks to deliver panels needed to construct a 4,000 square meter fattening station. Wooden trusses. Engineering solutions for the installation process ensure reliability, structural strength, and quick installation, and minimize equipment and personnel required. Trusses are assembled with Mitec corrosion-resistant steel connector plates either at the factory or on the construction site. Wind girder bracings rigidly connect adjacent trusses. Diagonal and cross bracings redistribute load between trusses. A 2-sided splice plate between 2 half trusses improves reliability of the joint. Trusses are connected with each other in jointing points by girders, increasing their transverse stability. Connector plates help assembling trusses right on the construction site. Trusses are easily installed on the bearing parts of concrete wall panels with 2 galvanized steel angles. Troll-decked perforated ceiling, mounted at the bottom cord level of the truss, allows for quick and easy installation of lighting, water supply, cooling, and heating systems. The standard 25-meter truss span weighs 400 kilograms. Installation involves a 21-meter arm crane. Company profile. Established in 2005, EuroSlats is a European-Russian company running its business in the Lipetsk region, 500 kilometers to the south of Moscow. The factory is located in Gryazy, 35 kilometers from Lipetsk. Its total area is 45,000 square meters, including 10,000 square meters of production facilities and 35,000 square meters of storage sites, with a storage capacity of about 100,000 square meters of finished products. 8 out of 10 top Russian pork producers cooperate with EuroSlats either directly or through their general contractors. including Mirator, Cherkesova, Agro-Belagori, Rasagro, Kopatanya, Komos Group, Don Agricultural Company, Agro-Eco, Kursk Agricultural Company, Pulkovsky Agro Holding, Verda Zerno Produkt, Telina Meat Corporation, Promagro, Rapt, CP Foods, and many others. Why EuroSlats technology? Groundworks reduced by up to 30%. Total construction costs decreased by the average of 15% or 10% compared respectively to steel and reinforced concrete structures. Up to 30% reduction in construction time. Up to 40% reduction in power consumed by heating and ventilation systems. Installed ventilation capacity decreased by 25%. Over 30 years of the building's service life. Lego-like large structures spanning up to 30 meters without intermediate supports. Our products require no finishing on site and ensure accurate and fast installation. Finished products are regularly tested in the manufacturer's laboratory and supplied with a warranty. After groundworks are completed, it takes 10 workers and less than 14 days to construct a 4,000 square meter building. In 2015, EuroSlats supplied Cherkesova building site in Semaluki, Voronezh region with wooden trusses. The farm production capacity is 40,000 heads per year. Pig farms operated by the manufacturer guarantee high quality of structural elements supplied. Otrada Gen Farms and EuroSlats factory are located in the Lipetsk region. Our pig farms offer ideal animal housing conditions and demonstrate excellent performance. 35 weaned piglets per sow annually. Total feed conversion rate of 2.6. Daily average gain rate about 1 kilogram in fattening. Willing to achieve similar performance and save 15% on construction, 40% on power, and 30% on commissioning time? Welcome to Lipetsk. EuroSlats technology